Hello, this is Meister X, and I'm going to go over the Level 2 academic word of the day, diverse, diverse, for Week 7, Quarter 4. Let's take a look at your flashcard. Diverse has 2 syllables, and the emphasis or stress is on the second syllable, verse. So we say diverse, diverse. It is used only as an adjective. And we have one definition for you to learn. Very different from each other and of various kinds. Okay, very different from each other and of various kinds. Let's take a look at your example. The Edge textbooks, in English 2 we use the orange Edge textbooks, and level English 3 we have blue ones, and in English 4 we use green ones. All of them, they contain literature from diverse authors. In other words, the authors are very different from each other, and they have various different qualities. Some are from different other countries, some are women, some are gay, some are still living, some lived hundreds of years ago. So a lot of diversity, which is one of your familiar words, within the number of authors that are presented in the Edge textbooks. Okay? So very different from each other and of various kinds. The diverse authors, each one being very different from each other and very different, different groups. The adverb form is diversely. Diversely. So you could say that the Edge textbook diversely presents many authors. Diversification is the process of creating diversity. Diversify is your verb form. So you can say maybe the first textbooks, a lot of textbooks, 40, 50 years ago for high school students, most of them were just white. The authors were mostly just white, and from years ago, classic authors. And so we can say that the textbooks today, the publishers diversify the authors by adding people of color and women and people of different sexual orientations. The participle form is diversified, and we have 3 synonyms for you: mixed, assorted, and miscellaneous. Sometimes you go to the store, you might see a sign for assorted nuts, and that just simply means that if you buy that can of nuts, that when you open it, you'll see that there's a lot of different nuts of different types, and they're very different from each other. Some might be cashews, you might have macadamia, you might have peanuts in there. And miscellaneous. Your antonyms are uniform and similar. So that is your level 2 academic word of the day. Be sure you write an original sentence using diverse as an adjective, and include an illustration for your flashcard. Happy studying.